Welcome to Speed Podcasting with Ryan Lobo. Please introduce yourself and tell us what you do.
Thank you, Ryan. I'm Swati Maheshwari from Jodhpur, and I'm running a library, the Learning Tree, for children.
Lovely. You come all the way to beautiful Goa for the Cashew Fest.
Yes.
And I know your husband has a stall here.
Yeah.
So it's good to meet you.
Yeah.
In fact,
This cabana and where you are doing this podcast is made by my husband.
Absolutely. It's so beautiful to have you here. So tell us, you are basically help children to develop the love for reading, right?
Yes.
It's not just reading, because in school also they can learn.
Yeah.
But at the library, you help them develop a love for reading.
Love for reading.
Tell
That
us
is
more
what.
about that. Why is reading? I personally think reading is the most wonderful thing ever. But how do you get a child to love to read?
See, we have very different type. Hello. Yeah. We have different type of story books.
Okay.
Like it's not the normal school books we are keeping. It's like the books with the paper story. Then we have books with the bubble stories and all. So they children with the bright pictures, they develop interest automatically. They are curious to know what is happening next,
Yeah.
because those are the stories which develop their curiosity to know what will happen next. What will happen next?
Absolutely.
So they move on, reading the story.
You know, today the children have so much distraction. Their phones are there. There's TV. It's become very different from when, like, I was growing up. When I was growing up, there was only Doordarshan, and there was nothing of my interest on Doordarshan, right?
True, same.
But now there's YouTube, there's apps, there's TV. How do you still get them to love reading?
Actually,
It's a big part to do with the parents, right?
Yeah. Parents are very
You have to
happy.
speak into the middle of the mic.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah. Parents are very happy because we are running this library in the evening. It's an after-school activity class. So in the evening time, 5 to 6:30, they come and and parents are very happy because their screen time is very less now.
Okay.
Because once
How
they are
come?
back from school, they take rest,
Yeah.
and by the time they get their rest, and library times is there.
Yeah.
So they come to the library, and by the time they are back, they have to do their some homework and all whatever, and they eat their food and they go back to sleep.
Yeah.
So parents, I have a very good reviews from the parents. Their screen time is getting very less because in the library they are getting friends also. Along with the reading habit, we are giving them co-curricular activities also, like
Yeah.
skating, dance, music, karate.
Nice. So it's not just a library, they do other activities.
Yes. Along with that, we are giving them brainstorming sheets also.
Wow.
We are trying to develop their brainstorming because in the school they have their fixed curriculum.
Yeah.
They are learning A, B, C, and whatever they read.
Yeah.
That is must. But in the library, we make them do the thing themselves and do the sheets.
Amazing. What is one thing that you would like each and every parent to know? Parents of young children, what would you like them to know?
I would like to know that, reading, giving them reading through the iPad. Those storybooks you will get in the iPad also.
Right.
But that is again developing their screen time
Exactly.
rather than developing their reading habit.
Yeah.
So it's very important that parents should emphasize on reading habit through books.
Correct. You know, even I have toddlers, and we have cut down completely TV time. Once in a while, very rarely, we put the TV on. But yes, I understand how addictive it can be. What are the dangers that you are seeing today with children on screen time?
See, they are getting hyper. Their anger is too much. They are they are not social also, because they don't when they are with the TV is their friend.
Right.
So they don't want any other child or any other friends of their age to play.
Yeah.
So automatically there are less social skills also.
Yeah, that's true. No, that social skills also.
Social skills also
Suffer.
doesn't develop because of this, and ultimately their eyes also get affected,
Yeah.
and many more things.
That's so true, so true. Well, thank you so much, ma'am. Any last words that you'd like to share with us as we're running out of time?
No, actually, I normally give parents advice because normally mothers, they are saying that we are very busy, some works are there, and also what I did with my girls, I have 2 daughters, so develop their reading habit. I used to make them read books while going to bed.
Oh, you read them books while going
Yeah,
to bed.
because that is the time when mother is also free. and you are free from your mind, from other household work and other whatever the work you are doing.
Absolutely.
So that is a free time you are able to give to your child, and some masti time, and to have fun with the books and all.
Absolutely.
So
well,
ultimately-
ma'am, we're out of time. Thank you so much. That's been really good, and have a pleasure. We had a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you,
so much.
Ran. Thank you so much.